Welcome. Unique ID are the backbone of data integrity. Without them, our data would be a chaotic mess, like a library without book labels. Today, we'll explore different ways to generate them, weighing their advantages and drawbacks. Picking the right approach is vital to avoid duplicate or conflicting ID. Ready to become a DataStage ID expert? Let's dive in. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Think of Unique ID like superhero names. Each one should be distinct. Without them, databases would be riddled with duplicates, making data tracking a nightmare. They are especially crucial for large-scale applications where data consistency is key. Today, we'll break it all down so you can wield the power of Unique ID like a pro. Ever tried searching for a common name online and ended up with thousands of results? That's why Unique ID matter. They keep things organized. They ensure data doesn't clash, improve efficiency, and make scaling systems seamless. Without them, data integrity would crumble and chaos would reign. Let's explore why they are a must-have. Generating Unique ID isn't a one-size-fits-all deal. There are multiple methods, each fitting different scenarios, like choosing between coffee or tea. Some are automated, while others require logical implementation. Picking the right one is key to avoiding conflicts and ensuring seamless data processing. Let's look at the available techniques. Ever numbered a grocery list? That's what at Inronum and at Outronum do, but for data. They provide sequential row numbers within a job, making them great for basic numbering needs. However, they aren't the best for large-scale uniqueness, so use them wisely. The sequence generator stage is like a personal ID printer. It creates unique sequence numbers across jobs. Perfect for large datasets where uniqueness matters, it ensures records don't collide. Want a robust and scalable solution? This could be your go-to. Surrogate keys are like secret agent codes. They help track records uniquely over time. Especially useful in data warehousing, they provide persistent unique identifiers. Need durable uniqueness? This method has got your back. The transformer stage is where you get creative with Unique ID. Think of it as a chef crafting a secret recipe. It lets you define custom logic for generating ID. While powerful, it does require manual implementation, so be prepared to roll up your sleeves. The CRC32 is like a fingerprint scanner. It generates unique values using hashing. While efficient and compact, it doesn't always guarantee absolute uniqueness. So while great for hashing-based ID, watch out for occasional collisions. Let's talk about splitting things up, the good kind of splitting. Partitioning speeds things up, making databases more efficient. But hey, without a solid plan for Unique ID generation, it's like organizing your files without labels. A total mess. So finding the sweet spot between partitioning and ID creation is key. Think of it like distributing snacks at a party. You don't want all the cookies in one plate, right? Here's a lifesaver for ID generation: database sequences. These little helpers make sure ID are always unique, much like assigning student roll numbers. They work like magic in busy systems, preventing duplicate disasters. And guess what? They're super easy to set up. If only organizing a closet was this simple. Parallel jobs are a game changer. They speed things up like a relay race, but what if two runners grab the same baton? That's where race conditions happen. By using optimistic locking and distributed coordination, we make sure ID don't clash. It's like managing multiple checkout lines at a store. Everyone needs a separate receipt. Best practices, because who likes fixing issues later? A solid ID system must work well across all distributed systems and scale easily. Plus, security matters. Imagine someone sneaking into a movie using someone else's ticket. That's a unique ID disaster. And don't forget performance, because an ID system slowing things down is like a roadblock in rush hour. Pitfalls, those sneaky mistakes that creep in. Duplicate ID can create chaos, inefficient methods can slow things down, and overcomplicated designs turn maintenance into a nightmare. And what about monitorings? If you don't check regularly, failures might surprise you like an uninvited guest at a party. Unique ID might seem small, but they make a big impact. Imagine banking without proper transaction tracking, yikes. E-commerce would be chaos without order ID, and patient records must be accurate in healthcare. And cloud systems. They process millions of operations, relying on solid ID management. It's like giving every package a tracking number, you wouldn't want it lost. And that's a wrap. Unique ID generation isn't just about random numbers. It's about keeping data intact, scaling systems, and preventing headaches. Avoiding common mistakes makes life easier, and we'll see even smarter methods in the future. It's like upgrading to a self-driving car, things will only get better. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.